Hello everyone, my name is Amit Vaskara and today I'm going to be showing you Lights Out. So let's get right into it. As soon as you press play, it starts up with a preloaded level that I went with loading up levels and creating them rather than making them randomized. So when you finish a level, it moves on to the next one. And then you can just keep doing these. And I've done 5 so far, but you can actually just keep going as many levels as you want, and it'll just keep loading the next one. So right now there's 5 in there, and then I'm not going to show you all of them because they get harder, and I don't have as much time to figure them out. But that's that. So basically, let me just show you one more time. When you press play, all of the different cubes are actually initialized, all 25 of them on the grid. And that is done in the scripts. Let's go ahead and start with level editor. So this is specifically for the levels. This is for the canvas, which I didn't show, but I actually have these canvases that are unchecked at the moment. So this is the start button, and then for this one, you have this was used to create the level. So restart cleared the board, and then save would actually save the level, and then put it in in an order, in the game flow order. So you would write what you want in there, and then it would save the level there. But I have them unchecked right now for people when they're actually playing. Going back to the code, so that's all that, and then this is actually where it gets stored, which is in here. These are all the different levels. You have the cube numbers. This shows which cubes are actually on at the moment. So yeah, that just does it for each of the 5 levels. Which one is this one? Starts with this one chooses which level. So this entire script sees which level you're on, and then once it's finished, it starts the next one. So it starts the game here with the first level, and then once you check to see if that level is finished, it moves on to the next one and then reinitializes all the values. That's what this one does. This one is just where the level gets saved, which is this and this. So these are the levels. This script just handles all of that. Basically, when you press the save button, it would go ahead and load that level into an array. And then we use an XML file to store that. This is for the individual cubes. So when the cube is on, it's white. Or sorry, when it's off, it's white, and then when it's on, it's yellow. That just changes depending on when you click it. And then the turn manager actually goes ahead and keeps track of when a cube is clicked on. This piece of code goes ahead and turns on the surrounding cubes as well. These are for the ones that are on the side, because we use the a +5 and a -5 in the cube array order. So if you chose number 6, it would do the number 11th one. So that's basically for that, and this just helps with the ones on the side, because you don't want it to always go plus or minus 1. And then yeah, this just checks to see if that level is finished. If it does, it goes and finds that call over here, and then starts the next one. So that's all the code. I did, however, use parts of this tutorial, which is on Pluralsight. It's a pretty good website, but I just used a free trial. It's actually a subscription service, so you'd have to pay for, I think it's $35 a month. But they have a lot of classes, a lot of C# coding classes and stuff. So I found this one. He goes into it pretty well, but it's not as in-depth, and he skips a lot of stuff. So it does at least let you learn, or force you to have to learn a lot of the stuff that you're missing out on. And then here's my Trello board. I haven't completed these 2 tasks yet because that's the video and stuff, but I have the tutorial reference here, and then the other Unity 3D tutorial page, which I can actually just open up real quick, which is just this page with all the little tutorials there. And then yeah, the Trello page is basically the same as it was for the tic-tac-toe, just like for instance the winning conditions and stuff have changed, and then obviously the data setup's a little bit different, and then the gratis is also different, but most of it is still kind of similar. But yeah, that's basically all I have for this video, so thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.